This is for the members of the 45th District. Caylin, Stephanie, Jackie, and Corey McCray. Y'all get an F for 2023. Y'all self-serving. Y'all getting ready to bring Brandon Scott and Commissioner Harris in? Well, we're going to have a conversation too. That's Commissioner Harris. I was a Baltimore City resident right here. This case, 2010, Baltimore City Police Department came in my house and put guns in my head. They threatened me. Mayor Brandon Scott, you was a councilman when that happened. Governor O'Malley was running for governor. That was the 2010 elections. All right? When Governor Ehrlich and them had that meeting. Those are criminal charges. United States. All right? That's Bernstein, O'Malley, and Chief Johnson, and Scott Shellenberger. That's Senator Cardin's right here. Senator Ben Cardin and Westmore. Y'all all got this. We talking about the 13th Amendment, N62528, State Illinois versus Dwayne Davis, the war on drugs. That's Senator Cardin's. That's President Trump. All right? Because y'all made me famous for toilets, and I'm running with that. Clippinger got this too. Gave him a whistleblower's application on the corruption in the courts behind the war on drugs. Senator Cardin's got a whole thing. Senator Cardin's has this. It's a writ of mandamus. It's a legal notice. All right, a writ of mandamus. It's written very well. Talking about shorty pull your mask up? No, I'm going to unmask Baltimore. Those are the criminal charges against Scott Shellenberger. Like I said, I was kidnapped for making a documentary. Mayor Brandon Scott got legal mail. That legal mail needs to be answered the same way I sent it to him. Commissioner Harrison has a brown envelope. That brown envelope has criminal charges against Scott Shellenberger. 2023, we're going to see if Black Lives Matter, or do you protect white supremacy? You got that your first week in office, and you've been holding it ever since. That's evidence for a federal investigation. That's Brooke Lierman, all right, the controller. That's Delegate Stephanie Smith, and she's part of the monetary part of the government and the office she was holding. Right here, 2017, the controller's office, all right? If you suspect tax fraud regarding your federal taxes, responsible to contact the Internal Revenue Service, all right? The Federal Trade Commission, the Credit Bureau, and the Police Department. I contacted Baltimore City Police Department. I was a Baltimore City resident. I had my residency, and my son was a Baltimore City resident. He committed the fraud, income tax evasion, identity theft. James Hammond, Jake Davis, Paul Weinblatt, Bank of America, SunTrust Bank, Insurance Incorporated, Al Redmer, the insurance administrator of the state of Maryland, Peter Francott. It's all about your prison industry and the money you was making. And the documentary is done. Shorty, pull your mask up. No, it's Governor Hogan, Mayor Pugh. You see who that is? All about y'all. It's about the money that Scott Shellenberger was making off the prison industry. All right? And how you protecting him. Because you got paperwork when I started this, and you got some on the 4/23/23. You got it. President Trump got it. And we put it in a book. Facebook Pass. Social media for social change. So Senator Ben Cardin, you getting ready to leave office. Before you leave office, you need to address my illegal incarceration. You can contact Westmore. He got it too. We talk about the 13th Amendment and what you don't do. The 45th District Legislative Wrap-Up, you get an F. It's Freedom Summer 2023. I don't get no justice. You don't get no peace. Anywhere you at, I'm going to be there. You either lock me up and I go to court. I get a trial. I get a trial, I get a jury. And you're going to be on the witness list. Remember the Stop Snitching video from 2006? You got 52 individuals that participated in this. We're going to see who's going to snitch on who. But right now, I want Westmore. I want Senator Cardin. I want Westmore and Senator Cardin. And I want Delegate Stephanie Smith to produce that evidence. That's my intellectual property. Ain't no law against making a movie. It says it right here in regards to your documentary. You the star of the show, Ben.